Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall AWS Amplify hosting settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall AWS Amplify hosting settings, start by logging into your AWS Management Console. In the console dashboard, locate and select the Amplify service. Once you're in the Amplify console, find the specific app you want to uninstall. Click on the app to access its settings and details. In the app settings, navigate to the hosting section. Here, you will see the current hosting configuration for your app. Look for an option labeled Disable Hosting or Delete Hosting. Click on this option to begin the uninstallation process. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. Make sure to read any warnings or notes provided by AWS. After confirming, AWS will initiate the process to disable the hosting environment. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the process is complete, you will see an updated status on your hosting settings. Next, if you want to delete the entire app, return to the main app dashboard. Find the option for Delete App or similar description. Again, you will be prompted to confirm this action. Confirm the deletion to remove the app and all associated settings. After the app is deleted, check your AWS resources for any leftover configurations linked to the app. Clean up any remaining resources in your AWS account to avoid extra charges. That concludes the steps to uninstall AWS Amplify hosting settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.